Battery operated clock comes in a number of colors: black, silver, white, and blue. Let's open this up, show you how to set it up via manually, show you the back side of the clock as well as the remote control. These are great clocks for classrooms, exams, in your office, or just your house that you need to see something nice and big. It counts up, counts down, does a lot of things. Let's get opening. In this package over here is your remote control. Please open up your remote control, remove the cellophane off the AAA batteries for it to work. Test it out by pressing a button. You'll see a red light. The same holds true. All the batteries have cellophane. Once removed, simply take the batteries, place them in. You have a piece of film on the front. You may peel it off. I'm going to place in the last AA battery and watch the clock light up. Now that our clock is lit up, what we're going to do is start to change the time, the date, and so forth via the back of the controls located here. We're going to take our cover and we're going to lock it on. We have two keyholes here that they give you a mounting bracket that you're going to place on to a wall, drill your holes, and mount up. You have a large screen electronic alarm clock in English. Very simple and easy to use guide. 3 sections. This is your backlight, high, low, and off. This is your kickstand. It opens up and locks into place. In the center over here is a reset button. As you can see, the button can be pressed and everything reset. This is your speaker. This is the timer, alarm set, negative, Celsius, Fahrenheit, timer reset, positive, 12, 24 hours set, and snooze. Everything here is most likely here on the controls. We'll briefly go over the buttons here. This is a set. You can increase the time for the timer over here and press the snooze and you start your countdown. To reset, you hit these both buttons together and it resets. To get out of the timer, you do like so. If you need to correct your timer, set time up of the clock, you hit the set button, English, on and off daylights, it looks like. This will get you to the year, and then you continue to follow through the month and the date by hitting these buttons. Set will get you the next one, and then you get the time if it's 10 o'clock. And there's no way to go back. You have to continue forward. If you make a mistake, you can hold the buttons down and you increase your time. Well, let's say it's 10 o'clock. We hit the set and we're all set up. If you want to snooze your alarm, this is what you do. You go to the alarm setup and you choose the time, what day it is, and so forth. And you hit the hour that you want the alarm to go off and you set up 10:05. And whatever it is. And if the alarm goes off, you hit the snooze, and there is a light that goes on. And that's it. That is basically everything you need to know. If you want a backlight to be off or on, you have a backlight off or on, high or low. Everything I showed you just set the clock up, you do right over here as well. It's very simple to do, very easy. So you have a place that you don't have any outlets to plug your clock into. This is battery operated and it'll show the time and it won't be bright. So if you, in the bedroom, you want something that doesn't shine so bright in your eyes, even though it's the lowest, this may be the clock for you. If you have a boat, a classroom, a warehouse, wherever you need to put a clock up, I hope this product is something you're looking for. And you can get very easily with the remote as well as the back of the unit manually. I hope you enjoy your clock.